Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the process of installing sound drivers. That means I'm installing in Mac OS X from Meet version 10.10.2. The time required is for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. For this, depend on hardware configuration. So let us begin now. So first of all, this all sound solution is having 1.10 is your, and this is your package. I'm going to auto installation. That means the sound related text automatically 90% of the system works. That means it's going to be install or work on 90% of this sound drivers. It will be work for this installation. Here is my download. You need to create an account in the Jumpshare. So you need to create a account in the jumpshare.com/. This will be the link you will be available in the description box below to my video. And for that one, you need to create an account before downloading this software sound drivers. So just you need to create an account, then download it. So let us I will show you this procedure. So my friend, on the screen you can see this is my macOS Yosemite installation, and here is my website. You need to type jumpshare.com on the URL. Here is you need to copy, you can share, you can download here. Just click on this one, you will be download here. You can see all-in-one audio solution is their package, that is MPKG zip file. Before that one, you need to create an account in here, which I have already logged in here. So let us begin now for this installation. Once you download this package, you need to just right click and open it. That means it's going to be extract here. So here after extracting, so here we need to double click on this package installation, and it's going to be click. So once we need to click on continue here, so here is going to be take 70 KB of your computer space. And then you need to, if you want to go back, you can go back to assign the password, press enter for this installation. Running the package scripts here. Now it will take not more than 5 minutes now. So still is running the script packages here. Now on the screen you can see the summary. The installation was completed successfully. If this package help you, please consider it. Donation is soon, and this is complete. Close it now. So before confirmation is, you need to click on system preference. Here is the sound drivers is there. As you click on the sound drivers, here will come on the screen. So you can just select your speakers or your headphones. You can select here, and upon selecting, you can check your output here, and input also you can click upon. You can check everything it's playing or not. So for any clarification, please comment below to my video. Thank you for watching the CloudNet video. Please subscribe to CloudNet channel.